Hi guys, Darren from Venom Art. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I thought we'd have a little bit of a play with some eye candy ghost colours. Now, their ghost colours are these guys, which are interference pigments. So, when you tilt those at a certain angle in the light, they change colour. So it looks white, probably hard to see on the camera, and it's a fine powder like that. So they've got two different ranges. They've got the glimmer ghost colours and the normal ghost colours. The glimmer ghost ones are these ones, and when you pop the lid open, now I'm keeping this away from my face because when you open it you do get some particles in the air. That there has more bling in it, so particles are a bit bigger and give you a bit more sparkle for when it's not tilted in the light. Now, if you want more information on how these things work, I'll pop up on the screen now the video that you need to watch. That's a more in-depth video on interference colours. So that white, you can see it's purple on the stick. So on a black background, you'll really notice the colour pop through. So what we're going to do is I've cut out an MDF dolphin. I've put British Paint's low sheen black on it. This time it's an exterior paint because it comes pre-mixed black. That way it doesn't have to be mixed and the can shaken up and all full of bubbles. It already comes black. So that is a bonus. So what I'm going to do is use all ghost colours on this and an ultra shift. Now that colour shifts from green to blue to violet when you change it at different angles in the light. So we'll add some of that as well. Alright, let's start with some colours. Now they all look white in the container, like that. Now that one there is actually a ghost blue, but it looks white. Don't know whether you can see that, but yeah, it turns blue. So what I'm going to do is just do all ghost colours on this today and see what we come up with, just for a bit of fun. Alright, so that's the ghost blue. Always make sure you write on the lids what they are, and try not to put the wrong lid on the wrong container because it's really hard to tell what they are when you mix the lids up. Alright, so this one's a ghost violet. So we got ghost blue, ghost violet. We'll go for a galactic ghost gold, which has more shimmer in it. That goes through here. Okay, what else do we have? Ghost green. And we'll get our Kiji. Now that's the colour shift. Add that through here. Like that. What other interference colours do we have? Goes blue, goes green. Ghost red. We'll throw a little bit of red into it, just for giggles. Alright, we'll go with that. So, all these ghost colours and glimmer ghost colours, the colour shift paints and all the other bits and pieces are all available from iCandy. What are we using? You're going to use a playing card today as a swipe tool. So it's just a basic playing card that we're going to swipe with. So, I'll grab my cell activator, which is Amsterdam Lamp Black, mixed with Australian Floetrol. That is roughly 3-to-1. And all I'm going to do is put that on one edge of the playing card. Like so. Now when you do a swipe, just use 2 fingers like that. Just let the weight of the card sit there. And just drag the cell activator over the top like that. Bada boom, bada bing. We'll let that do its thing for a minute. Just wipe the card. We'll add a little bit more cell activator to the other edge of this for its tail. Like that. Now the beauty of these cards is you can reuse them over and over again. All you do is just wipe the paint off with a cloth. Like that. Straighten it out, make sure it's straight, and then you can use that over and over again until you wear it out, and then grab another one. It comes as a deck of 52 plus the Joker, so you can usually get them at nice cheap prices, you know, $1 a pack or something crazy like that. So definitely worthwhile grabbing a pack if you don't have swipe tools. Alright, we'll grab a skewer and we'll put some patterns through this. Like that. Alright. What we'll do is give that a bit of a spin. Now the lighting that I'm using in here today probably won't show up all the colour shifts and cool colours in it as much as I'd like to. So I'll put a little B-roll reel over the top of it so you can actually see what it looks like. Alright, we'll pop that one up. Alright, so that's what it looks like without the light on it properly. And what I'll do is I'll throw a reel over the top so you can actually see it. That way you can see all the bling up here and all the other little cool bits and pieces that show up in the light. Now once they've got resin on them, they pop even more. Like you can notice the shift really gets a lot better once it's got resin on it. So that's pretty cool. Alright. I think I might press pause and we'll do a quick coaster or something like that. Okay. So this time I'm going to use a 4-inch tile. Put the pillow paint down. Okay, almost there. So what I usually do with all my pillow paints is I put them in sauce bottles. That way they're easy to use whenever you want to use them. You can still seal the lids by putting a little lid on, like that. Stops them drying out. Really handy to have. Alright, we'll go for some ghost colours again. We'll make some fancy coasters. Alright, so this is the ghost gold. I'm just going to do random bits here and there with it. Glimmer ghost blue. Throw our ghost red down. Ghost violet. And then we'll go the Kiji again. All right, we'll grab our playing card. Add our cell activator to the edge. Like that. And we'll just give that a swipe over the top. Like that. We'll let the cell activator sit for a second, do its thing. Now if you're interested in these eye candy ghost colours and ultra shifts and colour shifts, you can buy them as sample packs through eye candy. If you use Venom Fluid Art as the coupon code, you'll get 10% off any eye candy pigments that you buy. So I'm going to wreck this one up again. Just wiggle it, wiggle it. Like that. Just get some crazy patterns through it. give that a bit of a spin. Let's see how she turns out. Really cool, effective coasters, these. They, I've actually got a set in the lounge room. They are awesome. You walk past it during the day and the different light that shines through the window makes it all change colours as you walk past. It's crazy. Alright, pop that one up. So we virtually used no colours in that except for ghost colours and colour shifts. I'll do a little fly over of that so you can see it a bit better. But the colours are awesome, like really, really cool. But they definitely work best on a black background. You can notice them on a white, but if you want your colours to actually really pop, black background's the way to go. It makes a big difference. So there you go. Hopefully you like that one. It's just a bit of fun with some ghost colours today, so I thought I'd show you what they do and how they do it. But like I said, check out the other video that I've got up on YouTube that goes more in depth into interference colours, and that explains things a lot more in depth. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you like this, click like, share and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. You know, if you got any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And that is it from me today. So, have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.